welcome to the Massive Truths, the Sophia Universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful side of yours to see and understand from my own point of view. Today, I'll be saying whatever I'm about to say in my beautiful second dialect, Pidgin English, the area I'm comfortable in, the area I can talk to you and me, the area I can talk to my brothers and sisters that are like me. We really need this plain explanation, the area I can still learn from myself. Sometimes we don't practice what we do. Sometimes this good spirit might just lead you to say something. I said I'll be talking in my beautiful second dialect, Pidgin English. Sometimes the spirit will lead you to talk something, you will talk but you know they do that thing. So I will still talk to myself, and I will talk to my brothers and sisters who will be like me, where we they repeat something regularly. You know they finish. It turn to tree, heavy tree, iroko tree wey we no fit uproot, wey e don too big, but we go fit uproot am. I believe say my generation go fit uproot am when we come together, when we love in harmony, when we stop to dey ignore some certain things, when we start to dey see good things in other people, when we start to dey give positive opinion for something. Everybody they entitled to his or her opinion. Everybody gets the rights. The right cover all of us for anywhere for see ourselves for the part of the world. Rights of freedom of speech. Everybody gets them. But you decide as a human being. You decide as individual how you want to use that your rights. You choose to use them positively or you choose to use them negatively. Choose wisely, because at the end of the day, all of us will give account of this opportunity where we get. So I want to talk about my beautiful Africa. I want to talk to my brothers and sisters. I want to talk to my beloved, wonderful brothers and sisters who will be like me. You know, we people like me, we they always they do one thing continuously. We they always they repeat one thing continuously. I pray you just see a little from where I'm coming from. I just pray you understand. I just pray the good spirit visits you to see from my own point of view. I not say make you agree with me 100%, but I beg you to summon that good side inside you, to give me listening ear and to see from the angle where I from the come. We Africans, we dey pray and we dey cry for change. We dey pray and we dey cry for change, but we dey repeat the same thing often and often, even too often. We dey repeat the same thing. If I talk am, say our power e dey our tongue. Our power e dey our tongue. Every living thing, every living human being, I don't say every living thing now because I don't know whether I don't know whether goat on they work. I know they hear goat language. I don't know whether fowl on they work. I don't know fowl. I know they hear fowl language. I know they hear animal language. If you see they work for them, but humans, we are blessed. Our power there for you. We should use our tongue to move mountain. We feel use our tongue to bless person. We feel use our tongue to curse person. Not say because that person a witch, it will come to pass because he know the power we carry. Because he or she understand the kind person wey e be, e go work. So wetin I dey try wan talk, I wan talk to my brothers and sisters wey dey repeat this thing, swearing. We like to swear well well, we Africans, and na we dey cry for change. Make we first change before we go dey cry for change. When you wan know, it's easy to say I be good person. It's easy to say, oh, the good spirits they use me. It's good, it's easy to say, ah, the good spirit they speak through me, because it's easy to talk. If you want truly know whether good spirit they use you or bad spirit they use you, now when you are tempted to anger, it is when you are pushed to the wall. That is when you know the kind spirits who really they use you. That is when the test comes. If you feel control your anger, if you feel control waiting they come out from you, if you feel control waiting you want prophesy for human being life, then you know whether na good spirits they use you or na bad spirits they use you. Anything you prophesy for somebody life will come back and haunt you, because it will affect your society, because it will affect your land. Maybe this person na Bini like you, this person na Edo like you, this person na Nigeria person. It will affect Nigeria land. Or this person na Cameroon person, this person na Ghana person, as far as in Africa, it will affect Africa continent. All these things what they talk, all this prophesy, what they prophesy to our brothers and sisters, join waiting make our land no progress, because the power lies in our tongue. Because the power lies there. I just hope you summon your good side. I just hope the good spirit visits you. I know say me you agree with me. I know say 100% I did right. Waiting at the talk, so somebody feel pick the negative side inside. Now waiting he choose to pick. Somebody fit see from the good side, but you when one pick good, you when one pick bad. I dey beg, I know they right, but that time wait till they take negative things from people, statements from people, opinion from people, word, people's speech, use them, borrow from that time. Take someone that good side, take see from that person angle. I dey beg say see from my angle, where me from they see this thing, this particular moment. See from there, maybe, just maybe, you will understand what I dey try talk. We they use our own mouths, they place curse for our mother's land. We they use our own mouths, they place curse on our father's land, and we still they cry for change. Can we have it both ways? No. We need to stop to the place curse for our land. Look around Western world. We were the Western world. This thing, this topic why they talk, this issue why they talk, so I know they talk about only Nigeria, and they talk about the full continent Africa. It's too common. Look around you were the Western world. You don't ever see foreigner, Europeans, Americans. They use all this heavy cost what they use for ourselves. The highest you go hear from American man or from European man, now, pardon my language, fuck off. Do you know here say that they curse you, they curse your generation? May this thunder, may the God of iron, God of Ogun, God of thunder, God of destroy you, destroy your generation, destroy your household. Are we not tired of repeating the same mistake where our forefathers don't make? Are we not tired of suffering? We dey cause suffer to ourselves. How person go do us something because we dey angered, because we dey angry, we go just pass the curse, heavy curse. We go just pass am to the full generation, and you don't know whether your own generation go marry from that generation, and you don't do am. You say it not come from my mind, but the spirits don't know whether it come from your mind. They don't care. When the evil spirit want to ask, when they want to ask, they say ask, it shall be given. You've asked, and the evil spirit don't take calm, and it will walk with them. This life, as it easy, now so it dey very, very complicated. Except you are willing to understand life, except you are willing to see. Not be say you get two eyes. Sometimes people wey blind, they see past people wey open eye. No. You just see some people, they do some things. You're just like, you see some people, they argue. You're just like, not that because you know it all, because you dey look them, say they don't know wetin they do. You place curse on somebody generation, he and he pikin, and now the curse don dey affect the children. They'll post the thing on social media, then you will come and say, oh no, this thing not good to see for eye. You don't know the family, the person where you curse. You don't know the person where you pass, where you prophesy for your life. We should be careful. You can't eat your cake and have it. You can't eat it and have it. May we stop to the cause heavy cause for ourselves. I make an example the other day. I called because as I counted a verse. Now, sometimes some people say, babe, I would like to be like you. How to be like you? No, you can't be like me. I am me. You are you. You can bring the best out of your yeah. You can bring the best out of your very cool. Sometimes when I provoke, you no go believe say na me. Sometimes when I no fit control myself, there are sometimes you push people to their limits. I just pray. I pray every day. I try every day to be perfect. I love love. I love to be happy. I just love happiness. How many years will they spend for this life? What will you think? The time will take think. And how many parts the time will take enjoy? Live your life to the fullest. I believe, say, when you dey happy, if anything happens tomorrow, you live your life to the fullest. Today, now just opportunity. Tomorrow, you don't know whether you'll get the opportunity again. You curse right now. The evil spirits don't take them. That is why I warn many parents, not let your anger, not let what it pikin. Not just baby. The one where you do your parents worst pass. Say your pikin do you something, you just carry every curse. Curse your pikin. After you say your hug baby, chicken mats, not the kill the pikin. Who told you? You never see where chicken they kill the pikin. Who told you that? Not believe on waiting you fair here. act with wetin dey happen now, wetin you dey use your eye take dey see. Don't tell me wetin dey talk for song. That one na somebody idea, that one na wetin somebody believe. I don see where chicken kill a pikin, so don't tell me you know the evil spirit wey don take wetin you talk. Evil spirit fast pass human being. As you don declare, as you don talk and say na so you want make e be, they go help you carry am out. The time wey you come dey say I return my cause to devil, the deed has been done. The deed has been done. How you go just carry curse for your own fellow Benin person, for your own fellow Edo person, because he give his or her opinion. Everybody for this life, our constitution, anywhere you find yourself for the world, the constitution of that land cover your freedom of speech. Now you can't know whether you go use your freedom of speech to enter prison, or now you can't know whether you will use your freedom of speech to bless person life. Now you know whether you will use your speech, freedom of speech to do anything where you like. Because you don't like somebody opinion, because you don't like somebody way of living, way of carrying himself, you don't fit just the past course on the person generation. You not fit. He go come back and haunt you, because now the same land una dey, because now the same land in they go, now the same land now you want go die put, now the same land, now the same spirit you want make it fight you, your own spirit make it fight you. How you say make everywhere take good when we dey curse people? When you want know whether you really good, now when you dey vex. When you want know whether evil spirit they use you, now when you dey pissed. You don't invite evil spirit to yourself. You don't invite it. When you dey vex, evil spirit they take glory and they carry out every message where we send them. The time we come they say, oh, I no send oh, imagine be about imagine a story. Because that spirit when come they use you, don't already carry out a mission. You give them. You give them. It is easy to come say, I return my cause to the devil. Which devil? The devil will carry out the mission. You return it to Ram. End of carrying, so no need to return it to Ram. We should be wise. We should be matured. Make we receive sense. Make we by ourselves pray for wisdom. More not they pray for money. I said it before. God not they give person money. The only gift and the good gift God can give you is wisdom. This is your brain. Activate it yourself. Activate it. That is why when you reach 18 years, your parents know they act for you again. Your parents know if sign for you again. Your parents know if decide for you again. When you do bad, you go in for it because time don't reach for you to activate your brain. Time don't reach for you to know good from bad. Why you go curse person mama, person papa, person grandmama, person children, first generation, second generation, you say all the generation. You don't know whether your husband they come from that generation. Automatically the curse will come affect your pikin. There is one mistake. And on a very good day, I could just deliberately talk about this thing. You know, anger, they make person do things where you don't expect. And who are you? They make person do things where we don't want to do. Who are you? Not us picking with a newborn. Who are you? Who are you? They make person they do 88 days fasting. Who are you? They provoke person to limit what the person not expect. Not tell person who are you. Not ask. Who the person be no really mean, no matter to you. What did the person get to offer? Now you need to know. On a very good day, I will talk about this thing. You know, our parents don't do this thing for ground. That make me call am iroko tree. Iroko tree wey don pass million years. In fact, saw wey wan cut that iroko tree, that saw, you know say na another planet from come, not this our planet. Because e don too strong. E don too gbasky. Na so this thing be. My great king, Oba Atokpe, my late great king, the one wey cause Ikoka, out of anger, he cause Ikoka. And Ikoka na Edo e dey. Ikoka, Bini dey inside Edo. And when that my father know, say, e no get where pikin no dey play reach. That is why there is my great Bini. See, they use am take dey make parable. Obiomo wey na gboja son. Who don dey born? No dey say kill thief for night. You know dey talk because you don't know who be that pikin. E vex place curse on Ikoka. And Ikoka na still im own children. But because that moment, wetin dem do am, pain am reach bone. That's my great king. That's my great king Oba. He no remember wetin him do to Ikoka people. He no remember say people wey him kill, na somebody still born them. Now they did something to him, of which wetin they do e no good, but e no get pikin wey they say make they beat, wey they say where you go beat, where you say make e no cry. Now they do something to our king. He reacted and passed everlasting curse on Ikoka. People see the talk and they go say Ikoka mami boni seri. People they talk and they go say Ikoka land no see that curse return. What if we, your own children, can go marry Ikoka men? Because of his mama, he bless the women, but he forgets say the women now want give birth to these men. And we women not fit they happy say our children they useless. Automatically you see they cause your mother that pain when you say you deprive them of. When you say you deprive them of. Now we still be that your mother. We be your daughter. Now I must still go marry those men. Since I can't grow rich like this, I never see one man who tell me say him come from Ikoka. I never see him. But now people marry them. Now people now marry them. When the men they misbehave because of anger, because of overreaction, because of oh no, how they will do this thing to me. Now cause all these things will not finish for ground. At the end of the day, we, the daughters, still they receive from that curse. We, the mothers, we say because of us, we be the mother, because of us, we be the children, the female children, we not make them place the curse on women. He said that great women, now they will see for Ikoka land. But now we, the great women, want they give birth to those wayward children. Which mama would they happy saying they give birth to wayward pikin? It's not they. Automatically, it still hurt us. Automatically, the cause we need to revive them because your husband, you don't really know whether na Edo or na Ikoka. If na Ikoka, if na Edo, if na Ikoka, if na Benin, if na Urobo, if na anywhere, at the end of the day, all of us they miss. All of us, we born for ourselves. All of us they born for ourselves, and good spirits Nature get a way of doing things. You see all those people where we not suppose go meet, where we say no, we forbid our children to go to that place. Now those people, now nature they put your own children go give. Because of your children, you don't do some things. Because you the verse, you resist some things. Many of us they repeat these things. I just use my great king to make example. I use my great king to make example with all due respect to my palace, with all due respect to my chiefs, with all due respect to my elders. But we need to see these truths and stop no deviate from them if we want to be happy. If we want to be happy, we dey repeat the same thing wey we no dey see. We dey cause generation to generation. When we see say something happen to somebody do something wey no good, you no know whether na the cause wey your own mama fit cause for that generation. You no know whether na the cause wey your great grandpapa fit cause for that person family na come dey affect that pikin now. You don't know, then you go still comot, still carry, still cause that family join the one wey your great grandfather don fit cause. Not be our body for starts. Now the iroko tree, now that old tree wey don dey ground wey we no fit uproot again. If we want change, make we be the change. Make we stop to the pass cost, to the place cost on ourselves. Make we stop am. If now small government do, small na government do. If we fit dey fight ourselves like this, if we no fit love ourselves, now politicians fit dey enter our midst because there is no love. Many people dey say, my great king say, umaide gbegbanedo. Na lie o. Mona not the mistake that statement. Umaigbanedo yawe ni down. Mona dey put the any down join am. Not do my Egbanedo, get good idea. Make me get good ideas and a do person. But make you see whether woman no go banima. The only way we woman not take the banedo, the only way we woman not take the gba for Iviedo. Now when we dey plan to do bad, when he plays that course, now when he is a right man, a right hand betray am. Umagbani ayawe me down because I me down una bad thing I do to take bring your own God come out. Our king in our God. Our king in our second God. They get that alien blood for their body. Now made them special. Now make them special. So make we not they make the mistake. They use our head till they think waiting people don't talk. If you want really confirm waiting at the talk, get good idea. Not get idea to take fraud person. Not get idea to take bring somebody from a position to ground. May you say you want now that one an idea. This person no that position where you did. Excuse me. That position where you did, you need them. So you can't go meet another person, come crook with another person to take draw and come down. Oh my husband, why? It no go work. Now those kind one is so I put. If you get good idea, when you get good thing to do, go just bamugwa. Go just ba. Egbane do ya we me down. One am dey throw away the me down we dey. My main message now make we stop to the place curse on people because at the end of the day we dey place curse on ourselves. We dey place curse on ourselves. Edo person need to love Edo person. Nigeria person need to love Nigerian person. African person need to love African person. No, we dey do resist within ourselves. Because of the bad curse where we dey curse ourselves. Because of heaviness, because of the bad spirits where they inside us. Sometimes we as humans, Now I come now understand wetin dem mean by obo emenegbe. Native doctor no dey see im own. No be say native doctor no fit treat himself o. No be say native doctor no fit do magic for himself, or native doctor no fit enrich himself. No be im dey use am take mean o. That word mean many things, but we dey use our head just take dey classify am in a very simple way. Obo emenegbe in the sense that we dey do things wey we dey advise people not to do. Obo emenegbe. You see, as me dey talk now, say see wetin cause this thing, see wetin cause this thing, see wetin I think. This is my universe, this is my opinion, this is what I think, this is what I'm saying. But sometimes when some people push me, but now I believe say I fit control myself. I believe say I fit ignore some things. But then and sometimes with my husband I no dey endure, because I know he go tolerate me. I know he understands me. I know he knows say that's my back. E no dey last. E no dey. I no fit quarrel reach the next day. I no go fit. He know say that moment na e just take dey. My younger brother that time, if he do me bad, I go wan just beat am instantly, because if he pass that moment, I no dey remember again. So I tell one small pikin say, remember me say I say I wan beat you, because if you pass that moment, I no dey remember again. That is my kind of person. So what am I trying to say? We dey do things wey we dey say make people not do. When we don dey vex, we go begin dey place curse on people, generation. And this person wey you dey place curse on na your own town person. Una use head touch the same sand. Una come from the same place. You no know where your children dey go tomorrow. You no know where your grandchildren dey go marry tomorrow. Whether na people wey don cause the generation, then e go come affect you too. E go come affect you too. We no dey let our angers they speak for us. We no dey control ourselves. So my people, just imagine as we dey place curses on ourselves, the thing dey affect us. E dey affect us when you will hear some people, because one woman or one girl curse them or offend them, they go start to dey, na God go punish this person. Na the Amadioha wey dey their village go kill this person. Na the Osakpekan wey dey their village go kill this person. Na Ayelala go kill this person. Na so the woman go dey cheat on her husband. Even when the husband do bad, they go begin say their wife go dey cheat on top them. Their children go still dey cheat on top their husband, which is the children wey don't know anything o. The wife wey don't know wetin the husband do o. They go dey pass the curses to different person because one person offend them. Many things wey dey happen today now because of the curses wey many people don place on people wey they no even know. Many things wey dey happen today now because of curses wey people don place on people wey they no know. The things dey manifest, the thing dey work 100 years, not be forever. You plant something today, you must reap am tomorrow. It's sure banker, because the power lies here. Prophesy on your pikin. You go see say na wetin you tell your pikin make e become, na so the pikin will become. When you begin to tell your pikin say you are a very useless person, the first statement wey will come out for your mouth na to tell your own seed say you will be useless pikin, say na bastard, say na so you go do. Na so begin prophesy evil word into your pikin, and it will come to pass. Make we no dey say, oh, we go come return the curse. No, the evil spirit no dey return curse. Who you want to return and go give? You want return and go give the same evil spirit. Now you are confirming, say, okay, what's una carry? I dash una. Good spirit can never take that thing and do with it, because e no wan hurt you and me. That good gorgeous spirit no wan hurt any of us. Ask, it shall be given. You just ask and you can't see, say that they slaughter people like chicken. Then you are crying. Then you are saying, where is our government? The same government, the things still they go today. The same cost still they worry them. Because people wey you curse dey for the land. You no dey only curse these people, you dey curse the land. The land wey dey use hair take touch ground, you dey curse that land. When the generation just wayward, the land no go progress. Good things no go come from that land, because that generation, there might be a president, governor, senator. Talk of any better thing, that lineage, good thing must come out from it, and you just prophesy on that generation. How you say make your president and your governor take good? How? You know today, you don't know tomorrow. You know today, you don't know tomorrow. You don't know wetin any pikin wan turn to. You go see many women now dey fornicate. You go even ask them, why you do this thing? They don't know, because somebody somewhere don't place that curse on them. Instead, when we go correct some things we go dey see for social media, we go dey put fire. We go dey say, oh, this woman na very useless woman, this woman na evil woman, oh, this woman wey say share a nude picture the other day, this woman wey dey talk anyhow. There is something wrong. Now the curse wey we dey place on them, now they work for their body. Ask these people, they don't know wetin that they do. These people don't know the evil spirit, they push them. The evil spirit, they make them do things where they don't want to do, where they themselves they regret. They will say, how come? How be saying I me do this thing? How come? How somebody will say make woman do something, say make all our children begin may all our children begin be flat, may they pursue the woman picking for husband house, may the son kill the wife. If the son can't really kill the wife, we see for social media, we will come and say, oh, that man a very evil man, that man, oh, he deserve to die. How he go just get mad, take keep person, he not get mad, take push person. Now job profess, now what you prophesy, now what you say make that man become, now what you say make that man do, now what you send evil spirit to carry out in the life of different people. Now they walk. Now they walk. Some women, they go sleep with other men. Let me say because they like them, because they don't know how it happen. Some men go just carry knife, kill their wife, because they don't know how it happen. Somebody use anger, they swear for them. Somebody swear for a generation. Where can you affect them now? Let's stop it. Let's stop it. Because we don't know whether that wife will be our relative. I want my work, babe. I want my work, babe. I want my work, babe. If you don't know, I want my work, babe. I want my work, babe. We dey do people. We dey do physical. We dey do people. We dey do ourselves by ourselves. Make we abeg, make we stop to the past course on people, generation, wives, husband, even the ones who never marry. We go dey tell them the wife wey they want marry, now so they will become. If that wife can't really become that thing where we want me become, we can't see peradventure see them for social media. Now we will fail the shots. When we don't forget what we want, make the mission where we want, make evil spirits carry out for us. Deal with person, wait, deal with you. If person offend you, if person push you to that extent, I know say it's not easy. For real, I understand. I know it's not easy, but bite your teeth. Send for native chalk. Make them send you native chalk. Put salt instead of you to talk wetin you go regret tomorrow. All these things wey they suffer, our parents not do one for ground. Our great grandfathers, our great grandmothers not do one for ground, because here na your power. If you plant corn today, it will take time before it germinates. It will take time before it will give you food. It will take time before it will strong for you to eat. And this time when they talk, don't be first generation, second generation, third generation. It will manifest. It must manifest. Because we all know, say we get the power. We are like him, that good spirit. He said, they say He created us in his image and likeness. So say anything and it will come to pass. Do anything and it will be permanent. It will be permanent. How you go cause innocent pikin? Land where you from come, where you dey pray make the land good. You dey pray. They curse your own brother and sister. Ha! Say they no go better, they no go progress. As you dey say they no go better, they no go progress. Good thing no go come out from that family. You dey say good thing no go come out from your own land. What if your own precious daughter, your grandchild, where you love so much? Some parents love their grandchildren pass the pikin wey they carry for 9-12 months. What if na that gold come go the family where you curse? Then you will be reaping from the evil seed you have sowed. Why we not just come together to say no to all these hates? Send for native chalk. Send for native chalk. This one not be a juju matter. This one not be saying na juju. Native chalk. Put salt. It's sweet there. You dey lick am. If you dey lick am, your mind go dey make you dey think good thing. E get one story wey my grandma tell me. He said this native doctor, a native doctor come dey their village. As native doctor dey their village, so this husband and wife they always dey quarrel. Anytime when the man take raise voice, the woman, you know women now, the woman they always they challenge. The woman no want hear. The woman they always they talk. So this woman can't go this native doctor house. Can't go ask native doctor what thing she will do when she and her husband not go to quarrel again, because she loved the husband. To me, not just misunderstanding. They know they talk to each other. This one they tell this one say see what they vex me. The other one don't know what they vex this one. When they go into a relationship, we don't really know what they vex our partner. Our partner don't know what they vex us, because we know they talk. All of us they say make it not come, make it not come vex, make it vex better pass. You know now say now that thing they vex am, you know what they do again. It better pass say you know than you not just know at all. Me believe say na that one I cause am that time. So my grandmama say this native doctor come tell us, now let that one, not worry, he will give you medicine. Come give her native chalk with salt. Nothing there. Now just common sense. So he come tell us say put this native chalk. Put no, he not tell us say na native chalk, he tell us say na medicine. He do something put, he do jazz put. Make it put her under pillow. Anytime where your husband, anytime where her husband just say raise voice, make she run, go under pillow, go carry that jazz, put for her tongue. Just dey pray, just dey pray, just dey pray, just dey pray. The woman, anytime when husband really take raise voice, she will run go there, go carry him, put for mat. Just dey swallow the salt and native chalk. The thing really work. The husband not gonna beat him again. The husband not gonna surprise that the wife not they talk again. To the woman, the native doctor really do just for him. He can't go thank the native doctor. Say this medicine really work. Common sense. Common sense. So make we abeg. Make we repair our land. Make we join our great king Oba Ewy II. The king will come for my time. The Adolo will come from my time. Make we help am repair our land. Make we help am repair Edo State, Benin City. I dey hear say people they say not be our Oba get the whole Edo. Make we leave that one for another day. Make we join am. Make we stop to the place curse on people. Curse no know the owner. Juju no know the owner. We come from royal land. We get the good spirit and the bad spirit. Stop inviting the bad ones. More let the bad ones go. More let the bad ones go. And when they forget something, when we ask evil spirit to do something, when they do the thing and we can't cry, we go still collect from the curse where we curse. Some people don't know that thing. Some people don't know. When you ask evil spirits may do something for you and it do it, and you don't know. You can't see the picture. You can't see the person for social media. You can't say, oh, this thing pay me. No, you don't collect from the curse where you curse. Because you ask evil spirit to do it for you. Make we abeg. Make we stop waiting with they do. Where they cause us pain. May we stop to the place curse on people generation, because it will affect you. When the society they suffer, you go collect inside. You know, get you they get money rich. Money no they give person happiness. I don't know that one for sure. I am a living testimony to that, to waiting at the talk. So money no they give you happiness. Money no they give you joy. Before I feel say if I get money, hey, my happiness don't complete. Now lie. People wey get money, now can't they stressful pass. People wey get too much money, now they can't get too much problem pass. The only thing wey go give you peace, na love. The only thing wey go give you joy, na love. When you get love, even though na garri you and your husband chop, you will be at peace, and your body will dey glitter, your skin will dey shine. People will dey ask you, say, "How wetin be the secret?" No secret, oh, no secret. Na just love, na just happiness. Na just happiness. May we stop this thing. May we stop to let our anger, they let us place curse to ourselves. Because this thing they affect us. All these people who they see say they misbehave, sometimes not their cause. Now waiting come out from our parents' mouths. Now waiting come out from our neighbors' mouths. Because we offend them. Sometimes we dey offend people, we know they know say we dey offend. We just dey give our opinion as it take do us for belle, as we take think, as we just take think with belle, we not think with up. As we take think for belle, some people they think for belle, some people know they think with their brain. Because of that one, yes, it dey hurt some comments where some people they pass some people platform, but that one not reach for you to cause full generation. That one not reach. You causing full generation. Your children can suffer from that thing. Oh, both say we born them for abroad. Oh, now still their land. One day they will go there, and anything we make our children step leg for that land, they don't receive the cost where they cost where we don't know. And not be saying a prayer. Now waiting a reality. I just hope and wish we can just see these things. I just hope we can see. If to say we didn't know who our children want marry, if to say we didn't know the family where our children want marry, if to say we didn't know, oh God, if to say we didn't know, it was too good. You curse somebody, mama, you curse one girl, and that girl children not go bear their children not go bear their name because all this gender war. You not go bear their name. You not go bear a name. Oh, now papa name one bear. Then that woman blood, they inside that pikin. Automatically, it they carry half of the cost they waka that innocent pikin. When the pikin come they misbehave, una say the pikin too radical. Una say the pikin not good. Una don't know why they behave like this. Hey, you see different things for social media. See papa they sleep with pikin. Person will call say you go sleep with your pikin. Person go talk say you go give your own pikin belle. Person go talk say, person go curse person say you go use a man who take tie himself. Person go bad curse where they don't drive come up for evil land. You go hear for people mouths because they're diverse. Not be that one make you hero. Not be that one make you be great person. It makes you an evil person because automatically you are talking as an evil person right now. You dey talk like evil person. You dey invite the evil so they don't start from your land. You dey invite them back because you diverse. Because you diverse. Make we abeg. My message now. Make we abeg. Make we not dey place curse on ourselves. If we know the kind rope we tie all of us. If only we can just see that we are brothers and sisters. If only we can just love ourselves. If only we can just love, truly love ourselves. To love yourself, not to go buy marker clothes. To love yourself, not to really see yourself and appreciate yourself. You know me say person tell you say you ugly. You know me say person tell you say you like bad. Person tell you say you don't get fine shape. Person tell you say your shape, your shape not yours good. No, appreciate yourself. Don't let negative talk of people pull you down. When you appreciate yourself, you really know who you be. You really know your worth. See, no negative talk can bring you down. If you know say you know if they take bullying, not dey read message wey people dey send come for you. Employ somebody wey go dey read those message. Make dey tell you the good ones. The negative ones is of no use. No look them. Employ people. Employ people to dey look your comments. E go dey forward the good ones come for you, wey go make you dey do good things the more. Filter them. If possible, in fact, close your message box. Anybody wey wan reach you for real, e go use e real account. E real account take write inbox you. The one wey no inbox you with real account, do away with them. Don't give those kind people your personal number. E get people wey you fit give your personal number. Everybody wey dey present, wey famous, get their personal number, and they get who they give those number to. Now their secretary, now somebody they receive other people comments. Now employees, they tell them, say see message where you get. If you know you cannot take it, don't go check it out, because at the end of the day you must see evil comments, because evil too much for the world. Evil too much for the world. Who they want possess? Now human being, evil spirit no fit walk without say flesh. Evil, no spirits. Any spirit you see at all, good spirit or bad spirit, has nothing to do with us. They not fit do you anything without they not see flesh. If you not give them flesh, they can never dwell. They not fit exist. Now when you give them the good, when you give them body to use, now they will fit use them. Decide the spirit where you want give your body to. Decide the kind vessel where you want me you be. Make the decision right now, because we dey destroy human race with our mouths. The power lies here. Juju no know the owner. Curse no know the owner. Curse no know whether you by the talker. Evil spirit no know whether you by the talker. He no know. And the same goes to my beloved friends, my brothers and sisters where they keep friendship. You get some people, the way they play now to use curse, they curse themselves. I dey guilty of that one. Before I don't know. Now very silly way of making friendship. How you gonna use curse till they play with your friend and you say that one a friendship? Not be friendship. Because curse, your tongue will not know whether you by the talk and say, ask, it shall be given. How you will call me your friend, or I call you your friend, or you call you, babe, you the crazy, babe, you know where. Like seriously, that one a friendship. Why, if I truly love you as a friend, why not just call you my good friend, my president, my leader of tomorrow, my fine sissy, my king, my queen? That's present. Why not bless her? Why not, oh, God will bless you today, my friend? Why must it be seen a curse? Why must it be seen a curse? At the end of the day, your tongue no know whether you dey play. Evil spirits no know whether you dey play, because all of them they parabolate. They find who they send message for them to carry out. They look for who wants send message out. When you get friend, one they use curse till they play with yourself. Call your girlfriend, call your boyfriend, tell her make it stop her. Tell her make it stop her with cool tone, not say with quarrel. Make her understand. Friendship not be to curse people. Friendship not to bring out the good side in you. Friendship not to bless each other. Friendship not to appreciate and admire each other, to see good things for each other body. Now I dey learn to make my friend stop that thing, because she don't dey used to am. Now I believe say when I meet her one on one, I'll fit talk to her. But for fun, she no fit understand. She fit say maybe say I dey play or as normal and so it still be. No, I want to talk to her face to face, eyeball to eyeball. When you dey talk to somebody sincerely and you dey play, the person will know. This one not be friendship. Insulting me or me they insult you. Not be saying that one not be friendship. Let's cut that one out. If you truly love your friend, you say na love. Call your friend and bless your friend. Not be say you curse your friend say na play. Your tongue no know whether na play. Your tongue just said wetin he wants make it come out. If you tell your friend say wa ho wa my sister, he go ho wa. If you tell your friend say get out you are useless, you no be good friend and he go useless because e don come out from your mouth. E go useless. How you go say somebody wey you call your friend make he useless? No. No. Look all this western world where their place fine, sweet, dey everywhere. You don't ever see friend and friend. They use all this bad curse, they curse each other. Italians, the only thing where they go talk they say va fanculo. Pardon me for my language. Not just simple thing. Go enter your house, something like that. Fuck off. Not be get out. Get out. That one even simple. Tell your friend, but it no make sense. It no make sense at all. Tell your friend say na God will just punish you. Now God will just punish you today. Yeah, come here. God will punish you today. For real? Then that your friend come dey go, now God can't really punish am. Not be good God punish am because any evils, any spirit na God. Anything wey don dey fit carry out mission na God. Then the evil spirit come punish that your friend. You come dey cry when you just said it. When you just talk am, say make that kind of thing happen to am. We should be really careful. Make we know what to take dey play with ourselves. The power lies in our tongue. The power truly and really lies in our. Make we abeg, make we dey practice wetin we dey preach. Sometimes when we finish make video, make we by ourselves just see the headline by ourselves, watch am again. Make we still learn from wetin we dey talk. Sometimes not be we dey talk, now the good spirit or the bad spirit dey talk out of us. Make we see whether wetin we talk really makes sense. More talk, more see whether somebody somewhere will pick sense positively or negatively. Make we abeg, make we no dey pass curses on innocent souls wey no do you anything. You worst pass devil. When you dey pray, make somebody wey you no know, person wey you never come across, person wey you no even know whether na your relative, make e die, make bad thing happen to am. Will you be happy when good things not come out from your land? See how we dey live today. See how we dey live today because of waiting. Our forefathers don't use anger to talk. Now we still dey repeat today. Now we still dey repeat today. Make we abeg, make we abeg, make we try change some kind things wey we dey do, wey no good, wey dey bring curse and evil spirits to our land, wey dey cause destruction to humanity. Most stop to dey bring people when something not concern into matter. Make we abeg. Let's not just live innocent out of some certain things. If man do you something, if you feel say you no fit do without curse the person. But mind you go regret am for future. You go regret am because that person fit be say na person wey God put for there to come help you. You don't use your mouth to destroy life because he offend you. Wetin happen to somebody offend you, just say God bless you. You know me say you be coward. It dey pain, fine, yes, I understand. It is difficult, yes, fine, I understand. But train yourself. Train yourself. Lecture yourself. You can do it if you really want to make your land be a better land. If you really want good, you want to see good politician. If you want to see good things from your land, stop placing curse because your curse gets effect for everybody life. Both say they form nothing they happen, something they happen for inside nothing dey find. I hope you will understand and make we start to dey deviate from some certain things wey we dey do, make our land for be a better land, so that our next generation no go be generation of curse. E no go be. Some people dey take this curse like na normal thing. No be normal. No be normal, because something don old, no make am right. Because they dey do something dey come for ages, no make am right. Be the change you want for yourself. Be the change. Tell your friend, say, no, my friend, make we no dey curse ourselves again. No laugh put, no shout put. Talk with blues tone. Talk like somebody wey get something upstairs. Talk like change person. No be say you dey talk am before you end the thing, you don tell am say God punish you. No. Control yourself, caution yourself, train yourself. You fit. You fit if you really want. No, we stop to dey curse ourselves. No, we stop to dey pass curse to generation to generation. No, we help our great king, our leaders, repair our land. No, we be the change we want for ourselves. I hope I've been able to make my point. I hope I've been able to beg my brothers and sisters to please deviate from this way. I hope say I don't feel beg my brothers and sisters. Make we beg. It is hard, I understand, but train yourself to be who you really want may you be. Don't let people opinion pull you down. Don't let people bullying pull you down. When people they see the bad inside you, prove to them, say not be waiting they feel, not be waiting they take you to be, not be waiting they think say you be. Show them the good side inside you, so that matter where it's all go will talk come. I just hope you understand. I just hope you see. I just hope that the good spirit visits you to see from my own angle, to understand and know placing curse on people won't be the best. Placing curse on people, we will still come back, come eat from the curse in one or two ways. When your neighbor they suffer, now you they suffer. You don't know where your pikin they go, neither I know where my pikin they go. You feel place curse on me now. Your pikin, if you come marry my pikin, your pikin, don't take from the curse where you place on me. We should be very careful. See, I come your way next time. Don't forget to take patronize me. Thanks to my brothers and sisters who love my work. Thanks to my brothers and sisters where they patronize me. Thank you very much. May the good spirits be with you. May the good spirits strengthen you. May the good spirits guide and protect you. May the good spirits make you love and love and love. May the good spirit make you appreciate yourself. May the good spirit make you love yourself, so that you can see yourself in other people. Follow me on my Facebook page. Throw me your question. I will try by all means. I will try as soon as possible. I'm not gonna go cut my tongue. I will try to respond and reply. If I not could respond, if I not could reply, no, so I still get other things when I did do. Love you guys. Love you in the name of love. Let's love ourselves. We'll just let this love reign. We'll let love grow. We'll just love. Love is beautiful. See, I come your way next time. Stay blessed.